Hello everyone, this is Avneet from Planet Spark. In today's video, we are going to discuss angles made by the transversal, corresponding angles, alternate interior, co-interior angles, and we are going to solve questions based on these angles. Before we begin with the questions, let's quickly have a recap. If lines are parallel, then the corresponding angles are equal. If lines are parallel, then alternate interior as well as alternate exterior angles are also going to be equal. Also, angles on the same side of transversal, whether the interior angle on the same side of transversal or the exterior angle on the same side of transversal, their sum would be 180 degree, as well as vertically opposite angles formed are also equal. So let's begin with the question. The first question says we are given that L is parallel to M, N is the transversal. We have to find out all the angles. We are just given angle 1 is 75 degree. So we have to find out angle 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. To begin with, angle 1 plus angle 2 are lying on the straight line L. So that means since they are lying on straight line L, they are forming linear pair. The sum is 180 degree. Now angle 1 is equal to 75 degree. So 75 degree plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. That means angle 2 is going to be 180 minus 75. That is 105 degree. So we have found out angle 2, which is 105 degree. Further, I can also say that angle 1 is going to be equal to angle 3. Now, why is angle 1 equal to angle 3? Because if you carefully observe, L and N are intersecting at point P. So 1 and 3 are vertically opposite angles. Also, vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 3 is equal to 75 degree. Furthermore, angle 1 and angle 5. L is parallel to M, N is the transversal. So angle 1 and angle 5 are forming pair of corresponding angles. And if lines are parallel, then we know that corresponding angles are equal. That means angle 5 will also be 75 degree. Also, if you observe carefully, 5 and 7 are vertically opposite angles, and we also know that vertically opposite angles are equal. So 5 is equal to 75 degree. So till now we have found out angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, 5 and 7. Now angle 2 would be equal to angle 4. Angle 2 was 105 degree. So angle 4 is 105 degree because vertically opposite angles are equal. Similarly, angle 4 is going to be equal to angle 8. Why is 4 equal to angle 8? Because they are forming corresponding angles. Also, angle 4 is going to be equal to angle 6 equal to 105 degree as they are forming alternate interior angles. If lines are parallel, alternate interior angles are equal. Coming to the next question, we have to find out x, y, z and t. If L is parallel to M, L is parallel to M and P and Q are the transversals, whereas P and Q as well as also parallel. Carefully observe. Now Z is equal to 80 degree because they are forming vertically opposite angles. Line Q and L are intersecting. They are forming vertically opposite angles. So Z is equal to 80 degree. Also, we have line P is parallel to line Q and L is the transversal. If P is parallel to Q, L is the transversal, then Y and Z would be equal. They are forming corresponding angles. And if lines are parallel, corresponding angles are equal. So Y is equal to Z is equal to 80 degree. Again, if you carefully observe, we'll have L is parallel to M and line P is the transversal. L is parallel to M, P is the transversal. That means Y is equal to X is equal to 80 degree. Again, corresponding angles are equal. Similarly, angle T is equal to angle X, which is equal to 80 degree. Again, corresponding angles are equal. So in this question, we got the value of X, Y, Z and T all as 80 degree. I hope this question is clear. Moving on to the next question. We have to find out x, y, z. We are given that AB is parallel to CD. If you carefully observe, x plus 125 degree is lying on a straight line. So x plus 125 degree is equal to 180 degree. They are forming linear pair. That means x is equal to 180 minus 125. 180 minus 125 gives us 55 degree. That means x is equal to 55 degree. Furthermore, AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. AC is the transversal. That means x plus z, they are forming co-interior angles. Co-interior angles means angles on the same side of transversal. And co-interior angles are supplementary. So 55 plus z is 180. Z would be 180 minus 55. Z would be 125 degree. Similarly, again, AB is parallel to CD. BD is the transversal. Again, X and Y, they are forming co-interior angles. Co-interior angles are supplementary. So y plus x is 180 degree. In place of x, we will put 55 degrees. 55 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. Again, y is going to become 180 minus 55, which is 125 degree. So we have x is 55 degree, y and z are 125 degree each. I hope this is clear. So in today's video, we have discussed corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, vertically opposite angles, co-interior angles, and questions based on them. This was Avneet from Planet Spark. Keep learning, keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe. To book your free demo, check the link in the bio or simply type pspark.in in your browser today. Thanks for watching.